And hello everyone, welcome back to another Bootstrap tutorial. In the previous tutorial we talked about dropdowns. In this tutorial we'll be talking about collapsible objects. So a dropdown is very similar. You have something that is hidden, and then once you click here it is no longer hidden. However, it mainly contains more buttons that you can click. It could do something else, but in general that's about what it contains. Instead, it would be cooler if we have like a piece of text we could hide until we need it. So uncollapse it. Let's do that. Let's create a button with the class name of btn primary, and this button can just have collapse, or rather uncollapse, because we're going to mainly uncollapse something here. Then we need two things. First, we need to say it's a toggle and the type of toggle it is. So data bs for Bootstrap toggle, and this means it's a toggle button. And we can just say collapse because it's a toggle for a type of collapse. And in the target, we want to collapse or uncollapse. Data bs and then target. And here we can just say hashtag because we're going to be targeting by ID, and we can just say target. This can be anything you want. Save that and we'll have a nice button. Now let's create a div with the class name of target, and this should be whatever you have put in here. This class or this ID should be whatever you put in there. And we can give it a class of .collapse, and we can just add some lorem. Save that, and here we now have a collapsible. As simple as that. So this ID here, this target, is very important because this target here is what this is referring to. And in this collapse here is the type, so we want it to be collapsible. Very similar to in the previous tutorial when we had dropdowns, but this time it's mainly collapsing. Now we can take this a step further and create an accordion, now that we know the basics of collapse. So we can create a div with the ID of accordion. And then we can create a div inside of this div with the class of card. And then a div inside of this with just the card header. And then an A tag that has a class of btn for the button-like styling, and with the content of topic 1. Here we go. It doesn't need to go anywhere, so we can just remove that. And here we can just make sure it knows it's a toggle. And this could also be a button if you wanted to, but an A tag generally looks better. So here we can just say data bs toggle is equal to collapse. Hey, let's give it an href attribute that goes to topic 1. Okay. Now here we can create the collapsible. So we can then just say collapse 1 with the class of collapse, and we can specify .show. So the show class, which will automatically show it instead of automatically hiding it. And inside of this we can just have another div with the class of card body, and here we can just have some lorem. We can then also add a data bs parent, and this parent will generate an accordion for us. So we can go hashtag accordion, and this hashtag accordion is referring to this here. Awesome. So let's see, we have this. So this is an accordion. Currently it doesn't do much yet, but let's create 2 more of these just so we can get a full idea of it. There's 1, there's 2, and then this time instead of saying collapse show, we just say collapse. Same here. So they will be collapsed by default, and then this will be topic 2. So you just go here, say topic 2, and this should be topic 1 right here. We can make this topic 2, or actually the one above it should be topic 2. The text is just so big. Okay, and in here we can make this topic 1, and then just change the last one to say topic 3. So we have 3 topics we currently have. We can then change this third one to say topic 3 in the text, and this one to say topic 2 in the text. Now when we go back to our page, we now have this. Isn't this amazing? So when we click on this, it will collapse and uncollapse as needed. The power of Bootstrap made an accordion just a few lines because of the classes. And that's the basics of collapse in Bootstrap. Thank you for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you all again in the next Bootstrap tutorial.